Nowadays, everyone wants to create an animated video and wants to earn maximum dollars online. Many animated channels are getting millions of subscribers and also millions of views every single day. But the real problem is, while making animated videos has become easy for almost everyone, creating a consistent character is still too much difficult and time-consuming. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make a 100% consistent character without any effort, no technical skills required. So let's get started. But before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and watch it till the end for the full guide. Now, come into Canva and click on Documents. When the page opens, click on Magic Media. Now, provide any prompt. For example, I want to create a video like this with a consistent character. Please provide me with prompts to create this type of video. Two adventurous kids, a brave young boy and his curious pink-haired friend, find themselves lost deep within a mysterious jungle. While exploring, they unexpectedly cross paths with a ferocious tiger, narrowly escaping its chase. It will generate a maximum of 6 prompts. Each prompt will include the same character description to ensure consistency in every scene. Once the prompts are created, just copy all the prompts and save them into a Word file. Now, click on the But This option and ask, "Please provide me with a boy and girl consistent character prompt." It will generate a character prompt for both the boy and the girl. Copy these character prompts and paste them into another Word file. Now I'm telling you how to create consistent character images. Go to the Word file, click on the search option, and then choose Replace. In the Replace box, search for the word boy. Then go to the boy character prompt, copy the full prompt. Before the prompt, type boy, then paste it in the Replace With box. Click Replace All. As you'll see, it will replace every instance of boy with the full boy character prompt. Do the same for girl. Copy the girl character prompt and replace all instances of girl in the same way. Now, your character prompts are fully adjusted in each scene. Next step, come back to Canva and go to Canva Dream Lab. Paste the first prompt. Select the cinematic style. Click on the Create button. In just a few seconds, it will generate 4 amazing character images. Repeat this for each prompt and download the images that match your video scenes. Another free AI image generator is Piclumen AI. It's an amazing website, no credit required. Just open it with your Google account, paste the prompt, select the image size, and in seconds it will generate consistent character images. Paste all the prompts one by one, and you'll see that the character remains the same in every image. No character changes in any frame. This method completely solves your biggest problem. Finally, download all the images and you're ready to move to the next step in creating your animation. Now let's move on to Runway ML, one of the most amazing AI websites out there for generating realistic, high-quality AI videos. Runway ML is truly next level when it comes to video creation. It allows you to turn simple prompts and images into cinematic, lifelike AI-generated video clips. Whether you're making animations, storytelling content, or character-based scenes, this platform brings your vision to life. Here's how you can use it. Go to the video section inside Runway ML. Simply upload the image you generated earlier, the consistent character image. Now, paste the same prompt you used for that image in the prompt box. Click on the Generate button. In just a few moments, Runway ML will create a stunning AI video that looks incredibly realistic and smooth. The movement, expressions, and style will match your original image and prompt perfectly, giving you a truly immersive result. This tool is especially powerful because it understands context, emotion, and scene continuity, making it perfect for storytelling, animated content, or any kind of visual project you're working on. And the best part? You don't need any advanced editing skills or software knowledge. It does everything with just a few clicks. So go ahead, explore Runway ML, and see how your characters come to life in a way that's almost magical. It's an absolute game changer for creators who want to produce professional-looking content without a big production team. Now it's time to turn your story into a voiceover using Runway ML. This step will complete your video with a professional quality narration. And the best part? It's all copyright-free under the free plan. First, take the full story you created and copy it. Then, come over to ChatGPT and paste the story here. Ask it, please provide me with a summary of this story in just a few lines. ChatGPT will quickly generate a short, engaging summary of your story. Just a few lines that capture the entire plot in a concise, captivating way. Once you have that summary ready, copy it and head back to Runway ML. This time, go to the Generate Audio section. Here's what to do next. Paste the story summary into the prompt or script box. Choose your preferred AI voice from the available options. You can go for a deep, dramatic voice, a friendly and clear one, or even a youthful tone depending on your story's mood. Click on the Generate Audio button. In just a few seconds, Runway ML will create a realistic voiceover audio for your story. The quality is outstanding and sounds like a professional narrator recorded it. This is why I highly recommend using Runway ML for both video and audio. Not only is it powerful and beginner-friendly, but it also comes with free commercial usage rights. That means you can use any video or audio you generate, even in monetized YouTube videos or commercial projects, without worrying about copyright claims or strikes. You can download the background music from the YouTube audio library, which is totally free and requires no credits. It's safe to use in any video, even monetized content, without any copyright issues. Now your video, audio, and background music are ready. It's time to move into the editing section using CapCut. Open CapCut and drag all your video clips and audio files into the timeline. Adjust the video scale to 118%. This will remove the Runway ML logo from the corner of the video. Next, align the video with your audio. If the audio and visuals aren't matching perfectly, just adjust the video speed slightly. CapCut will automatically sync it with the audio without any extra effort. After syncing, add transitions between scenes that match the mood of your video. Now add captions. If you're using CapCut Pro, you'll have access to amazing caption styles. Just pick a style that fits your video and adjust it as needed. Once everything is done, watch the full video to see if any changes are needed. Most likely, your editing, settings, and flow will look great. I hope this video helps you understand how to create a consistent character AI video easily and effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.